Hello everyone, we are the hustlers, and in this video, we will explain our solutions to the case given. The very first step we took was using the design thinking framework where each process is provided with 3 steps. Those processes are empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. According to one of the features that we will develop later, we see 3 types of users here: non-expert, average, and professional investors. The purpose is to examine the distinctions between them as well as the goals and frustrations of each user. Furthermore, the purpose of this user persona is to go further into the examples that have been gathered and to generate new ideas.
The case's fundamental issue is the user's lack of knowledge about investing. The user is also unaware of their own risk profile, investing instruments, and having poor confidence in digital investment platforms. And in this case, we gave each of them a solution. We separated our features into 3 main sections. The first one is investment, which includes elements associated with user interactions with investing products. Next one is account, which are user accounts and user performance in investing. And lastly, learning, which consists of learning features for users to enhance their understanding of investment. The following are the fresh ideas. This is where these concepts are uncommon or rarely encountered in similar programs, but have highly unique functionalities that the user truly require.
Features will be added to the existing SeaBank application by creating a new page for investment. There is a banner here that if the button is clicked, the user will register and ask to complete the user risk assessment to identify the user's risk profile. Then there is a navigation bar here with a bunch of mutual fund categories, which when clicked, will lead the users directly to the page that the user has selected. It can be seen that the products and graphs change depending on the type of mutual fund selected. The users can also choose between non-expert and professional interface. Then when we click on recommendations, we will see recommendations based on the user risk assessment results, such as course for you and product for you. And if we click one of the products, it will take us directly to the product page. This page provides detailed information about the selected product. Users can also enable notifications when the price or product rate reaches a certain level. There is also a compare product features that allows users to compare markets. When users want to buy a product, they will be able to choose whether or not to buy a product on a regular basis. Next, we move to the learning page where there will be course and live feature. There will be a premium subscription here, and if the users upgrades, they will be able to access more course. The users will only need to click the Go button to be directed to the tutorial page that explains how to upgrade and how to use the application. Both the basic and premium course will include info, forums, quiz, and notes in PDF formats. Then, if we move to the live page, there's upcoming live and history for the live feature. Then we are on the account page, which includes investment performance, portfolio overview, your investment, and liked products. Besides that, there is an auto invest banner on the account page that, when clicked, takes the users directly to the auto invest page, which allows them to arrange investment to be made automatically over a certain time period. If the users want to sell a product, they can set the amount to sell or sell all investments. That's all from us. Thank you for your time and consideration.